get rid of that cold fast with these easy home remedies. Suffering from a cold and feeling miserable? Don't worry, you can get rid of it fast with easy home remedies. In this video, I'll share effective tips that will help you feel better. A cold is one of the most common health problems we face, especially during winter. The frustrating symptoms such as a runny nose, coughing, and congestion can be annoying and affect our daily routine. But did you know that there are several simple home remedies that can relieve your symptoms effectively? In this video, I'll share with you my top 10 tips for ways to treat your cold with things you have at home. Tip 1. Get plenty of rest so your body can recover. Getting plenty of rest is key to recovering from a cold. When your body is fighting off an infection, it needs all the energy it can get to heal itself. That's why it's important to give yourself time to rest and recover. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night and try to take it easy during the day, too. If possible, take a sick day from work or school so you can focus on taking care of yourself. Tip 2. Drink lots of fluids and stay hydrated and flush out the virus. Staying hydrated is key to keeping your body healthy and flushing out any viruses. Drinking lots of fluids, especially water, can help prevent dehydration and keep your immune system functioning. When you're sick, it's even more important to keep up with your fluid intake as it can help relieve symptoms such as congestion and a sore throat. And don't forget fruits and vegetables that are high in water content such as watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Tip 3. Use a humidifier or take a hot shower to help promote mucus drainage. Using a humidifier or taking a hot shower can be a great way to decongest. Both methods work by increasing the moisture in the air, which can help loosen up mucus. A humidifier is a great choice if you want to target a specific area, such as your bedroom or living room. Just be sure to clean your humidifier to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. Tip 4. Gargle with warm salt water to reduce throat inflammation. Look no further than warm salt water gargles if you're looking for a natural and effective way to reduce throat inflammation. We have used this simple remedy for centuries to soothe sore throats and reduce swelling. All you need is a glass of warm water and a spoonful of salt. Mix the two together and then gargle the mixture for 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat a few times a day until your symptoms improve. The warm salt water helps to flush out any bacteria or irritants in your throat, while the salt works as an anti-inflammatory agent to reduce swelling. Tip 5. Eat spicy foods such as chili peppers to open up your sinuses. Try adding some spice to your life if you're looking for a natural way to open up your sinuses. We know chili peppers and other spicy foods have an ability to clear out congestion and get air flowing again. The heat from the spices can help to thin out mucus and make it easier to breathe. Plus, the capsaicin in chili peppers has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling and inflammation in your sinuses. So next time you're feeling stuffed up, consider adding some hot sauce or jalapenos to your meal. Just be sure to start small if you're not used to spicy foods, as they can be quite intense for some people. Tip 6. Increase your intake of vitamin C. Increasing your intake of vitamin C can help boost your immune system and fight off that pesky cold. One easy way to get more vitamin C into your diet is by eating more citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. These fruits are not only delicious but packed with nutrients that can help keep you healthy. You can take a vitamin C supplement to make sure you're getting enough of this important nutrient. Tip 7. Put drops of eucalyptus oil in a diffuser to help decrease congestion. This can help to clear your sinuses and make it easier to breathe. Eucalyptus oil has natural decongestant properties that can help to reduce inflammation and mucus. Plus, it smells amazing. Just add a few drops to your diffuser, turn it on, and let the soothing vapor work its magic. You can mix eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba and apply it to your chest or back for added relief. Tip 8. Sip on hot tea or broth, which are soothing for sore throats. Try an herbal tea with ginger, honey, and lemon. If you're battling a sore throat, there's nothing like a hot cup of tea to offer soothing relief. Herbal teas with ginger, honey, and lemon are effective thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is known for its ability to reduce pain and inflammation. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that can help fight off infection. Lemon provides a boost of vitamin C, which can help strengthen your immune system. Tip 10. Enjoy a bowl of chicken soup for added hydration and nutrients. When you're feeling under the weather, there's nothing quite like a warm bowl of chicken soup to make you feel better. Not only is it comforting and delicious, but it can also help keep you hydrated and provide your body with important nutrients. Chicken soup contains vitamins and minerals that can help support your immune system and fight off illness. Treating a cold at home with natural remedies can be a great way to ease symptoms and get back to feeling your best. From drinking warm liquids to using essential oils, there are a variety of remedies you can try. Remember to give your body time to rest and recover, and seek medical attention if your symptoms persist or worsen. By taking care of yourself and using these natural remedies, you can help support your body's natural healing processes and get back on track in no time.